It's the Yogi MD Toolbox.
Yogi Toolbox, Yogi MD 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 Toolbox, Yogi MD.
Hi, it's Nadine, and welcome to another episode of the Yogi MD Toolbox. I'm here to make yoga a simple part of your routine at home every day. I'd like to introduce you to another place that I really love to practice yoga, the wall. Is your back sore? Are your shoulders sore? You don't have to get down on the floor to receive the benefits of a downward facing dog. You can do it at the wall. Stand a few inches away from the wall. Lift your hands higher than your shoulders and wider than your shoulders. Press your hips back until you feel a gentle stretch from your back all the way up through your fingertips. Keep your head between your upper arms and breathe. And that's just one way you can use the wall to make yoga a simple part of your routine at home every day. See you next time.
Yogi MD Toolbox, 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 Yogi MD Toolbox.
It's the Yogi MD Toolbox.